let me show you a simple way to get started with Asana, which is a free project management tool that helps many small businesses manage their projects and tasks and teams all in one place. It's something I personally use every day. And today I'm going to take you through step by step on how to get Asana set up and how to start your first project. So let's jump right in. All right, first off, you want to jump into asana.com and you want to start up here and click Get Started. And then this is set up to use your company email address, or you can use your Google Workspace account, whichever one works best for you. So I'm just going to type in my email. I swear I know how to spell. Here we go. All right. Click Continue. Takes us to a sign up. And then obviously they're going to have you enter your code, which I'm going to skip that. Get our code, enter your code, verifying. And then it's going to take you to this screen. And it's just going to ask you to enter some basic information. So your full name. So I will enter that. And it's going to have you set up a password. I'm just going to generate one. And then it's going to bring you to this screen where you're just going to fill in some basic information so that it gets to know you. What's your role? So manager. Which function best describes your work? So we are in marketing. And what do you want to use Asana for? Campaign, content calendar, strategic planning, creative production. We're going to go with creative production and continue. And then it brings you to this screen, which we're already into our first project. So they're going to have you name the project based on what you're trying to do. Just for example's sake, I'm going to say web site design. Okay. Click next. And then it's going to have you start by adding the first few tasks. You just want to add your first few tasks to get started. So let's say we want logo design. And then let's say we want to build SEO. Okay. And then we want to write the content. Okay. Just to get started, just for example's sake, okay? And then you click Continue. So then it takes you to this screen where you basically have your separate tasks. So it gives you your to-do, what you have to do yet, what you're working on currently, and what's done. And you can label these anything you want, whatever makes sense for your team. I'm just going to leave it as it is. We'll click Continue. And this is the real power of Asana, is in this screen here. Now you can switch this at any time, but I'll just go briefly through what each of these are. So these are different layouts for the same tasks that you can view different ways. So list is just that. It just looks like a to-do list and it's based on those categories and you have a big check mark there. The boards view here sort of divides up the tasks into boards, and you can slide the projects, the tasks from board to board to be able to view it that way. Timeline is really good if you have project due dates and there's different phases of each task within that. So you could kind of see more of a view this way to see where things are on track and how they overlap. And then obviously the calendar gives you sort of a bird's eye approach to see like the month or the quarter or the week or whatever you want, so that you can see what projects are being worked on at any given time. Again, for the example of this, I'm going to go to the list view. We'll click Continue. And then here you can add different teammates. This is, again, one of the great features of Asana is that all of your team can be in one project and work on the same tasks that need to be done. You can assign different tasks to different team members so everybody can see what each other's doing and what the progress is. So on this screen, you can add any team members that you know you're going to need right away. And of course, you can add them more later or take people away, however you want to do that. And then you click Continue, and then you're all set. Now, this is going to take you to the screen where you can download the apps for your iPhone or your desktop app or your iPad, whatever you want to do with that. We're just going to skip that. And then here we have the 30-day trial, which is activated for the Pro account. There's different tiers. There is a free version that you can select. So there are limitations to that, and you can see the breakdown of what each pricing tier indicates and what you can get out of each of those. But for now, we're just going to go with the trial for now. So we go, let's get started, and we're into it. And this is sort of your dashboard. This is what you're going to see when you're going to come in here. Now, obviously, you can manage your profile and be able to, give yourself a picture and your job title, write a little description, and you can see what's going on there. And you'll kind of start out on this home page. And there's a couple of key things that I really like about this is here you can see all of your projects. You could see everything that you have to do in your task list that's assigned to you. Then you can see what tasks are coming up and what they have to do. You could also set goals for your team or be part of goals that are on there. So everything is sort of managed right here in this primary space. And then obviously they have kind of this onboarding tool so you can look through there. And usually what I do when I check in the morning is I go to my tasks and I will look at this and I'll see what is assigned, what is coming up, what I have to do today. And then you can view this however you want. So you can see that as the boards. You can see that as the calendar. I really like this view, the week, so that I can see this is what I have to do today. This is what I have coming up for the week. Then I can see what's going on next week. And so this is sort of the view that I tend to go to most often. And then here's the other one is I always like to check my inbox. This will give you a running tally of anything. If there's a task that you were waiting on somebody else to complete, it'll show up there. If somebody wrote a comment to you in a task or mentioned you in a post about having something on there, it'll all show up here. So these are all the things that you can see. And then just to kind of keep it organized, you can hit archive and then I'll go away and I know where I'm at. And then I jump in and then we go, okay, logo design, here we go. You got your description you can add in there. You can add subtasks. And then again, you've got these comments that you can either tag people at the whatever team member so that you can see who is talking to who and keep everything all in one place. So we know with the logo design, everything we need is right in here. We can add attachments down here if there's like drafts that we want to look at. You can add links to other web pages. It's all in the task. And then when it's totally done, you can mark complete and you are done. This is a really powerful tool. And like I said, I use it every day. It keeps everything organized. We can manage multiple teams, multiple projects at one time, and really have everything all in one place. You can keep your communication together. No more of the, where was that link to that web page that I needed to look at? It's all together in there. And the other thing too, when you get into My Tasks, you could sort of just create your own to-do tasks, email Fred. And you can assign a due date and go, I got to remember that I need to do that tomorrow. And this only shows up for me. I mean, there's tons of stuff the more that you get in there. But I just wanted to give you a quick breakdown of how to get the project, how to get Asana set up, and then how to start using it. Now, of course, there are many other project management tools out there, Trello, Monday.com, Notion. If you'd like to see me do some reviews or comparisons of these products, please just leave me a comment below. And with that, this will get you started up and running in Asana so that you can start your new year off with a bang by having all your projects managed and taken care of in one spot. Thanks for watching.